Namaste. Today I am going to tell you a story of two friends, Hari Bhai and Dilip Bhai. If you are in the Western world, you can call them Harry and David. Now these are two youngsters, school-going kids, who like to play on a seesaw in a garden on a daily basis. However, there is a problem. Dilip Bhai is a very nice, gentle soul. Hari Bhai is a very dominant soul. So here you have Dilip Bhai and here you have Hari Bhai, or here you have David and here you have Harry. Harry always likes to be on the top. He will not allow David to come on the top. Every evening they go to this garden, they sit on the seesaw, but Harry refuses to come down. He says, I like to see all the things from the top, so let me be at the top. You remain there. Dilip or David is a very gentle character. He keeps requesting, Harry, please give me some chance. Let me go on the top. Let me also enjoy the seesaw. It's good if we go alternately up and down. Then there is fun on sitting on the seesaw. Otherwise, what is the fun? Hari Bhai is very adamant. No. You sit down there. I will be on top. No. You will not be on top. I will be on top. Now this goes on for 2, 3, 4, 5 days. A very patient, a very docile David or Dilip Bhai keeps on requesting, and Hari says, no way. Ultimately, guess what? Eventually, the inevitable happens. Out of sheer disgust and frustration, Dilip Bhai decides to walk away. What happens when Dilip Bhai walks away? Automatically, Hari Bhai crashes down. Now there is nobody here to counterbalance the weight of Hari Bhai, and Hari Bhai crashes down. Now this is the story of two kids. Let's convert this into something else. So D stands for divinity inside you, and H stands for the human enterprise that you and I are interested in. All of us have a divine spirit within us, and all of us have this human enterprise made of the body and the mind, and we are so caught up in pursuing our human enterprise. We want to acquire qualification, we want to acquire jobs, we want to have food, we want to have cars, we want to have houses, we want to have properties, we want to have bank balance, we want to have families. It's all about the body and the mind, and we have no time for the spirit within us. And when we are constantly chasing our human enterprise and giving less value to the divinity within us, one day, out of frustration, the spirit inside us, out of complete disgust, decides to leave you. That is the day your human enterprise crashes down. That is the day of your death. So, while you are alive, give some value to the spirit inside you. Give some value to the divinity inside you. Allow the divinity moments of importance in your life. Life will be much better. You will not crash down. You will come down gently. Thank you for watching. Take care, stay safe, and use your lockdown period fruitfully.